Good afternoon to you. I'm Jordan Fort, and here now is your midday sports report. Now, Excelsior will not get the chance to defend their Issa Grace Shield title after being knocked out at the semi-final stage following an innings and a 12-run defeat to Woolmer's boys at Kensington Park on Tuesday. Resuming at 28 for 2, replying to Woolmer's 252 all-out on Tuesday's second and final day, Excelsior were dismissed for 125, with Michael Clark top scoring with 34 and Tamari Redwood making 29, as Matthew Aljo bagged 6 for 31 and Alex Hines 2 for 45. Having been asked to follow on, needing 127 runs to make Woolmer's bat again, Excelsior were dismissed for 115 after Hines returned to take 4 for 41. Omari Wedderburn also took 3 for 30 and Aljo came back to take 2 for 28 for match figures of 8 for 59 for Woolmer's. Now, Woolmer's made 252 on the opening day of the two-day, two-innings match, thanks in large part to a top score of 154 from West Indies under-19 representative Jordan Johnson. The match was a repeat of last year's final, which saw Excelsior coming out on top. Woolmer's will meet San Diego in the final next week. West Indies ODI captain Shea Hope has signed with English county team Yorkshire for the first 3 rounds of matches in the county championship, which bowls off tomorrow. The 29-year-old will provide cover for club captain Shan Masood, who has been called up for Pakistan's limited overs series against New Zealand. The acquisition of Hope is a welcome boost on the eve of Yorkshire's season opener against Leicestershire at home. He has fond memories of playing at Headingley. After becoming the first player to score 200s in a first-class match at the ground when the West Indies beat England there in August 2017. After scoring 147 in the first innings, he finished 118 not out in the second, leading his side to a successful chase of 322 for a famous 5-wicket win. Former world record holder and sprint legend Asafa Powell is a specially invited guest at the United Nations event, Making a Difference Beyond the Game in New York on Thursday as part of the United Nations celebration for the International Day of Sport for Development and Peace. The event is Making a Difference Beyond the Game will showcase the important role of sports in promoting social inclusion, gender equality and youth empowerment. It will feature a panel discussion, presentations by a myriad of experts and athletes, and interactive activities to engage attendees and highlight the importance of sports in creating a better world. The United Nations designated April 6 as International Day of Sport for Development and Peace in 2013, recognizing the role that sports and physical activity play in promoting sustainable development and peace. Now, Manchester United will look to bounce back from their 2-0 loss to Newcastle at the weekend when they host Brentford at Old Trafford in one of 2 English Premier League matches today. Brentford humbled United 4-0 in the second match of the season and have only 1 defeat in their last 16 league matches. United, since their Carabao Cup success, are yet to score a goal in 3 league matches, which included a 7-0 battering at Liverpool and a 0-0 draw at home with Southampton. A win or a draw for the Red Devils sees them leapfrog 4th place Tottenham Hotspur, who have played 2 games more. Brentford are 9th and a win sends them level on points with 6th place Brighton and Hove Albion. Struggling West Ham will be desperate for a win over Newcastle in the day's other fixture at the London Stadium. Both matches kick off at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. And with Woolmer's girls and the San Diego boys out, new champions will be crowned in the ISSA National Volleyball Championships today at the Carl Henderson Auditorium at Jamaica College. The girls' title will reside in the rural area for the next 12 months, as Knox College, who eliminated 28-time champions Woolmer's, will battle with Malden High in the final at 12:30. At 2:30, it will be a repeat of the corporate area final as Woolmer's boys take on Jamaica College. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Sandy?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's it for the Midday News. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us at 7 p.m. for Primetime News. On behalf of the entire team, have a wonderful day.